Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a crucial part of any vehicle's drivetrain, the differential. Most people know it exists, but few understand what it does. Whether you're behind the wheel of a passenger car or driving a fully loaded semi-truck, the differential plays a vital role in vehicle performance, handling, and safety. So, what exactly is a differential, and how does it work? At its core, a differential is a mechanical device located between the drive wheels of a vehicle. Its main job is to allow those wheels to rotate at different speeds. That might sound odd at first, but it's absolutely essential, especially when turning. When a vehicle turns, the outer wheel has to travel a greater distance than the inner wheel. If both wheels were forced to spin at the same speed, the result would be tire skipping, poor handling, and increased wear on the drivetrain. The differential solves this by splitting the engine's torque and allowing each wheel to turn independently. Now, let's take a closer look at how it works. Inside the differential, you'll find a series of gears, typically a ring gear, pinion gear, side gears, and spider gears. When the drive shaft turns the pinion gear, it rotates the ring gear, which is connected to the differential case. As this happens, the spider gears allow the two axle shafts, and therefore, the two wheels, to rotate at different speeds when needed, such as during cornering. But not all differentials are created equal. Different vehicles use different types of differentials depending on performance needs and terrain. Let's explore the most common types. Open differential. This is the simplest and most widely used type. It allows for smooth cornering by letting the wheels turn at different speeds. However, it has a major downside. If one wheel loses traction, it can spin freely while the other wheel gets no power. This can be a big problem in slippery conditions. Limited slip differential, LSD. An LSD operates like an open difference under normal conditions but adds resistance when one wheel starts to slip. This helps maintain traction on uneven or slippery surfaces. It's a great balance between comfort and capability, especially in light off-road or performance vehicles. Locking differential. This type of differential can mechanically lock both wheels together so they rotate at the same speed, regardless of traction. It's incredibly useful in off-road and heavy-duty applications, where maximum traction is needed. But it can be tough to handle on paved roads due to the lack of differential action during turns. Spool or fixed differential. This isn't really a differential at all, it simply forces both wheels to rotate together at all times. It's used in specialized vehicles like drag racers or off-road trucks where traction is more important than turning comfort. For regular driving, it's not practical. Now that you understand the different types, let's talk about maintenance. Differentials, like any mechanical component, require proper care. Over time, the gears inside are exposed to stress, heat, and contamination. Regular oil changes using high-quality gear oil are essential. Leaks should be addressed immediately, and any unusual noises, like whining, clunking, or humming, could signal worn gears or low fluid levels. A well-maintained differential can last hundreds of thousands of miles, but neglecting it can lead to expensive repairs and even total drivetrain failure. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow drivers or technicians. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.